Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And now you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, you should see the option called auto screen off. Tap on it. And here we have the menu or list of durations we can select from. And we have the from 5 seconds up to 15 seconds. And you can scroll through the options by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the option you like. For example, I'm gonna select 10 seconds and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So let's wait 10 seconds. And here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.